Yeah, man. I got some good green here, man. It's for my cat, man. I've been scarring myself a big bag of green for the cat. There he is. What's this, puss? No, man, you need to give me some money.
We're supposed to eat it.
I don't know. Perhaps it's hungry.
It can't be that hungry.
Mine.
She likes. Packy.
Can't say packy on the internet.
I'm not going to tell you what I was thinking.
Why not?
Not on film.
It's not filmed anymore.
Shut up.
Come on, you tell the internet how much you hate packies.
Don't hate packies. What are doing, Tiffy? Eating salad. She's got wild eyes on her.
There's some strange odd behaviour going on. She's doing a little bit of rolling, isn't she?
Yeah. Tasty, Joe. I didn't think she'd eat it.
No, I didn't. Well, this is boring. Who's going to watch this for 4 minutes?
She's crap, isn't she?
She's shit.
Maybe that's Tiff.
You need to give her some brown or something. That'd liven her up.
Brown?
Brown?
Do you mean like smack?
No. It's a mixture of cocaine and gunpowder.
Oh, okay.
It would like it.
Is that a drug, is it?
Cocaine?
Cocaine. I know cocaine's a drug. I mean, mixed with gunpowder.
Yeah. You fucking idiot. Yeah, it's very popular amongst the West Side boys. They love it. I think it's Cat's a West Side boy.
Fruitcake. Should we go out?
No, we're filming Cats. Oh. Yeah, man.
Where's that?
Shh. Don't tell the internet about my ass. This floor better be clean by the time we get back, Cat. Yeah. Yeah, put keys in it. Hit the pedals. Turn the wheel.
See you later.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Mumbo.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Oh, oh. What's this cat doing now?
She's metal. Where's my...
I thought he'd gone.
My back. Is it hung up there?
Which bag?
No. Come on, skits.
Cat skits. It's hiding behind the sofa. It's having a white.
Probably going to vomit all that now.
Probably.